welcome to online class of biology class 8, day 7. Yesterday we have discussed regarding the topic story of microorganisms part 1, right? Today we will cover the topic of story of microorganisms part 2. Yesterday I told you that story of microorganism is divided into two parts, right? Story is very big, so that they made into two lessons, two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. So yesterday we have completed part 1. Today I am going to teach you part 2, right? So I hope all are ready to listen my class, and as well as please have a notebook and note down the important points whichever I have written on the board, which will be useful for you for further, right? I hope you have completed the home assignments whichever I given yesterday. If you will do, it is useful, Nana. Okay? Now, shall we start our topic? Right. Story of microorganisms part 2. In this, today we are going to learn. First of all, we will see the brain mapping, right? In brain mapping, this part 2 has divided into some subtopics. What are the subtopics we are going to see now? First one here is useful and friendly organisms. Do you remember microorganisms? They are very small. You cannot see with your naked eye. For this we require a microscope to see them, right? Those are called microorganisms. Yesterday we have observed some of the microorganisms. Today we are going to learn how these microorganisms, whether they are helpful or whether they are harmful. Means in our daily life, some organisms are useful and some organisms are harmful. In what way we are going to see now. First topic says useful and friendly organisms, right? And one more topic, how microorganisms are useful in medicine, right? In medicinal use, how they are helpful for us. Next, vaccines and antibiotics. Do you know about vaccines and antibiotics? How far they are helpful in our life, we will learn. Next, up to here, these three topics cover about useful microorganisms in our daily life, right? Next, from here, we can understand about how harmful microorganisms are making harm to us. It means they are causing different type of diseases, isn't it? Right. Harmful organisms and pathogens. What is meant by pathogen? Disease causing organism, right? The organism which cause disease is called as pathogen. If organism cause disease, it is harming us, yes or no? So that we can say harmful microorganisms are also present everywhere, right? Now, next the topic says about pasteurization and nitrogen fixation. Whether it is useful or harmful, we will learn in our further sessions, right? as well as bodies of humans. Right? We got this point yesterday session. Now, useful in many ways, children. Microorganism is useful in many ways. Then how? How it is useful? Let us know now. Right? Point 1 here. Making of curd. This is one of the diet. Right? Daily we take. Making of curd. You know already how it will prepare the curd. How your mother will prepare it. You can also prepare it very easily. Right? Next. Preparation of idli, dosha, bread, cake, etc. Right? Next, farmer's friend. Do you know microorganism is not only our friend but also it is a farmer's friend. In what way? How? Is it a farmer friend? Right? Farmer's friend means what? It helps in increasing the soil fertility. It makes the soil fertile. What is the use of making the soil fertile? It helps the what? Plants to grow. It helps the plants to grow. As the soil becomes fertile, the plants contain roots which are penetrating or combining with the soil so that they can move easily into the soil. So they have a proper growth. Followed? Now, so that you can say microorganisms making soil fertile. So if it will be making fertile, it is helpful for the farmers. Yes or no? Now, next one here is preparation of medicines. Preparation of medicines for different diseases. Right? To cure the different diseases. Because we are getting nowadays different type of diseases. We cannot expect whichever the disease attack us. Right? So, for that we require some of the medicines. So, from where that medicines came from them? You know, microorganisms are also responsible for preparation of the medicines. So, these are few useful microorganisms. Right? Now, we come across the activity. How making of curd is taking place. Already you know how the curd is prepared. Right? You take 2 bowls. Right? You take 2 bowls. In one of the bowl you take cool milk. In one of the bowl you take warm milk. Lukewarm milk you take. One of the bowl A you are taking cool milk. In one of the bowl B you are taking lukewarm milk. Right? And 1 spoon or 2 spoons of curd you add in lukewarm milk as well as cool milk. Are you following? Take 2 bowls A and B. A bowl is cool milk, B bowl is lukewarm milk. And you take 1 or 2 spoons of curd and add into this cool milk as well as lukewarm milk. Keep this lid over these 2 bowls and keep aside for 5 to 6 hours or over at night. After time completes, then you open the bowl and you observe. In which of the bowl you can see formation of curd? Can you answer? Lukewarm milk. Right? Lukewarm milk helps to prepare or to form a curd over the milk. Right? Why only lukewarm milk? Why not cool milk? Because lukewarm milk is a perfect condition for the bacteria to grow. Okay, favorable condition for the bacteria to grow, so that bacteria can multiply in that favorable warm condition, so that warm milk is easily formation of curd is taking place. Cool milk is that cool temperature the bacteria cannot grow, that cannot multiply, that is not a favorable condition for the bacteria, so that it cannot form the curd. If you want, you can try, children. As you are at home now, you can try lukewarm milk as well as a cool milk. Then you can understand in which of the formation of curd is taking place. Okay. Now, do you understand this activity? Right? Now, who is helping to form the curd then? We have to know the name of the bacteria, right? So, In this way, by this activity, what you got the answer here? One of the bacteria is useful in our daily life, right? Now, going towards the activity 2, right? Activity 2. This is also daily activity, children. How can we can prepare this at home? Try once. What you have to do for this? Take maida. Yes. In 2 cups, you take maida powder, right? Maida powder. Yes. In 2 cups, you take the maida powder, and with the help of some water, you knead it and make the form of prepare a dough of maida. So before you are preparing, in one of the cup, either you take A, either you take or you take B. I am taking B. Okay. In B cup, I took half of the cup of the maida and I added 2 spoons of the yeast to it. For this, I took only maida. I did not add yeast to this. Alright. So I knead it with the help of water and I made it into a dough and I kept in a cup. Yes. After 5, I kept this process aside for 5 to 6 hours. I kept aside for 5 to 6 hours. After observing, I observed it after 5 to 6 hours. What happened? In one of the cup, in which one? In one of the cup, which I added the yeast, in that the dough rises above the cup. You can see it here, shaded part. The dough rises above the cup when compared to A dough. Okay. In B dough, what happened? The dough part rises little bit when compared to A. Why this happened? Because what we have added here, yeast. Yes, when we add yeast, the dough rises. This process you can do for anything, like you take bread preparation or cake preparation. Then why it is happening so? What is that process called as? Fermentation. What is this process called as? Fermentation. Important point, children, note down please. Now, why it is happening? Why the rises takes place here? Because in that rising part, inside, we can find bubbles of gas. One gas is formed. That gas is with the bubbles. That all bubbles fills the dough. So that the dough rises to certain height. Little bit above the cup. Are you following? Bubbles of the gas fills the dough. So that the dough rises. What is the gas then? What is the name of the gas? Because of production of CO2. What is CO2? Carbon dioxide. Because of production of the carbon dioxide in the dough of maida, whichever we added yeast, here what happens then? As the gas is formed, as the increasing of little bit of dough, what you can say? Volume of dough increases, right? Volume of the dough increases and it becomes spongy in nature, right? It becomes spongy in nature. So like this, it becomes spongy in nature. Have you observed cake while you are eating cake or bread? Followed how they are spongy in nature because of the, and also in the cake or in the bread you can see small holes are forming. Children, in the middle, have you observed that small holes are related to formation of CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas, right? So by this what they have understood, when the addition of yeast is taking place to the maida dough, you can see the rising of the dough. Like in that way we can prepare a bread or the cake. So this production of carbon dioxide which converts into a rising of dough, we can call it as by the process called fermentation. Actual definition of the fermentation we will get in the next topic. We will see. Okay. So up to here it is clear, children? Right. Now coming to the commercial and they are taking water up to level of the half of the beaker. You name them as A and the B. Right? Now, in this you are taking 5 to 10 spoons of sugar. Right? You are taking 5 to 10 spoons of sugar in both the beakers, A and B. Next, you suppose either A beaker or B beaker, whatever it may be, add 2 spoons of yeast. Yeast powder will be available in the market too. Right? So, you add 2 spoons of yeast in one of the beaker, either A or B. That is your wish. Alright? Now, keep a lid over this after addition. Keep a lid over the beakers and keep aside for 5 to 6 hours. Okay, next. After 5 to 6 hours, please open the lid and smell it. Smell both the beakers, A and B. You smell the like this, A and B, both the beakers you smell. Right? But in one of the beaker, you will get the alcohol smell. That is one type of a characteristic smell that is called alcohol smell. Why that alcohol smell is coming in one of the beaker? In which one of the beaker you will get the alcohol smell? Can you guess? In the beaker, I added in the beaker B, so that in the beaker B, I will, if I smell, I get the alcohol smell. Right? Then why it is taking place? Because addition of yeast, right? Because sugar is combining with the yeast to give the alcoholic smell. So by this we can frame a definition of fermentation. What is that? Conversion of sugar into alcohol by the yeast. Okay, conversion of sugar into alcohol by the yeast, we can call it as fermentation. Followed? Conversion of sugar into alcohol by the addition of yeast is called as fermentation. Followed? Now, this fermentation, during this fermentation, which gas is produced, children? Carbon dioxide gas. Here we have seen, you see, fermentation. So this is a definition of the fermentation. Conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as fermentation. Okay. These fermentation products are fermented foods. We can see in our day-to-day life. What is that? I said you before, idli, dosha, mainly. Okay, bread cake we cannot. Nowadays we are preparing cake also because of these days. But mostly we prepare this idli and dosha. Okay, your mother will be preparing this idli and dosha the day before. What is the reason for preparing it day before? To form a rising of the dough. Okay, to form a rising of the dough. So you can take example of fermented foods as idli and dosha. Right? It means what you are understanding by this activity, yeast is also helping for the preparation of foods. Means it is helping in our day-to-day life or not. Then what is yeast here? Yeast is one of the microorganism. Yesterday we have discussed. Yeast is one of the microorganism, unicellular microorganism. Right? Okay. Up to here it is okay now? Fermentation. This fermentation is used in a large scale in the industries, like preparation of beer, wine, vinegar, acetic acid. Right? And yeast is a natural sugar. Where you will get the yeast? In the natural sugars like rice, wheat, barley and the cashew juice. And here you can see, do you know about molasses? Molasses is one type of a brown sugar. Where you can get that molasses? In the sugar industry. Okay, in the sugar industry you can get the molasses. That molasses is also a commercial brown sugar which can be used for the preparation of ethyl alcohol. It can be used for the preparation of ethyl alcohol. Right? So, this is a topic and here commercial. Here commercial use, children. This is under commercial use, and activity 2. Here how it is useful in our day-to-day life, and this is a commercial use. So some few questions I am going to ask you. Write useful microorganisms. How microorganisms are useful in our day-to-day life, right? And next, what is the fermentation? So these are the two questions I given today for the session. Thank you.